Hi, it's Jez here from Nigezza.co.uk. Thank you for joining me today. I've got a really quick project for you today. These are my customer thank you gifts for those that shop with me in September. So they're just little post-it note covers, which I thought they were quite cute. I really liked the way I started off, first of all, making this to go with the pad I made the other day, to go with the present. And then I thought, oh, these actually be nice thank you gifts. So I continued to make those. And then I thought, oh, I want to have some different looks. I wanted to have something that was not necessarily female, that could be male, and something in my favourite colour for me. So I'm going to show you how I made them. Really quick and easy. So I've got that panel cut out, which is 3x3, and I've got a 3x3 post-it pad, which is 1/4 inch deep. I actually got this on a block. Let me show you. So I actually got it on a block, so I just pulled them off 1/4 inch and got 6 and a sliver out of that. Okay, so you need a piece of cardstock, and I'm going to cut it in front of you. I don't normally do that. So you can get 3 from a piece of standard cardstock. So you're going to cut at 3 1/8. So you'd get 3 out of this, and then you'd have a sliver spare, and you're going to cut at 6 1/2, and the half is just that little bit down the centre there. And then you're going to score, and that is just the right size for cutting the scallops oval, but I've already done it, but that is where you'd cut it out from, so you'd have enough out of each strip to cut one of those, so it doesn't use too many resources either, which is good. You're going to score at 3 1/8 and 3 3/8, and that's going to give us our 1/4 inch there for folding over. So we're just going to fold over and burnish. And whilst I was making these, I thought, what a fabulous thing for a craft fair. And I'm doing a craft fair in November and another one in December, so I will be doing these for them. So you've got the sticky bit there, and I'm just going to put glue along that sticky bit. To hold it in place, and that way this can be refilled once you're done. So I'm just going to match this to just go slightly below that score line, giving a little margin all the way around. Can you see? That is what I'm doing, and then that will fold over quite nicely, and then just going to stick that on. I'm not matting because it fits beautifully on there without a mat. So yeah, and they don't take too long to make, so I will be knocking these up in front of the telly, because you don't really have to think about it. And I think these will sell quite well at a craft fair. Well, I'll find out, won't I? I'll make them up for craft fair number 1. If I sell out, I'll make some more. If I don't sell, I'll take them along to craft fair number 2. If I don't sell them there, they'll be me tabletop presents at Christmas. But I think they will. But I'll give them to my guides for Christmas. Nothing wasted. And that is it. And I think this might be my quickest video ever. And that really, really is it. How quick was that? Well, it was like 5 minutes. How fantastic. Okay. If you'd like, all the measurements will be on my blog, nigezza.co.uk, link down below for my shop if you want to buy any of this lovely DSP. I just absolutely adore these dies, the stitched shapes. You get ovals, squares and circles, and then you get layering. You can get layering ovals, layering circles and layering squares as well to go with it. And I just think they make absolutely wonderful sentiments on the top of anything. Okay, see you again soon.